Hey, New York. This is Clark with NYC Pigeon Air Conditioner. I wanted to talk to you briefly about window air conditioner disposal. A lot of people don't realize there are some procedures you have to go through with sanitation. You're not supposed to just dump your air conditioner out onto the street. So, basically, you can't just dump out your air conditioner illegally. You can get a fine for that, or your building can get a fine for that. So you're not supposed to just put it out in front of your trash. Basically, what you're supposed to do is coordinate this disposal with sanitation. Now, how does this work? Let's say you've got an old giant air conditioner in your window, and you want it out. You want to throw it away. You don't want to use it next summer. It needs to just go out. So first of all, you go to the CFC recovery appointment, or you can Google window air conditioner removal NYC. And basically you'll find the sanitations. I'm going to put a link if you're listening to this on a podcast or listening to this on YouTube. You'll find a link to the NYC Sanitation's website, and it's not difficult. Basically, you just put your information in, and sanitation is going to give you a day where they come by and they're going to remove the Freon. So let's say now, the reason it's not consistent for everyone in New York City is that sanitation has pickup on different days in New York City. So let's say you live in the Upper East Side and you're on 80th Street and 2nd Avenue. In your area, sanitation may come by and do the Freon removal from air conditioners on Thursday. So basically what you do is you would schedule with us on Wednesday to come and remove your air conditioner. We'll come and remove your air conditioner from the window, bring it downstairs after 6 p.m., put it on the sidewalk with the certain way that the sanitation wants it. Sanitation will then come on that Thursday, and they will remove the Freon and tag it. Basically, your air conditioner has Freon that works with the compressor to actually cool the air that's in the air conditioner. So this stuff is actually very toxic, and it can't just be removed by anyone. So the sanitation department is going to come and remove the Freon, and then once it's downstairs, once we bring it downstairs and you've filled out the request form, it's out of your hands. We'll help you. You don't have to do anything. So again, it's basically just one step that you have to do. You coordinate you set up the appointment on the website. You give NYC Pigeon Air Conditioner a call. Say, hey, we want you to come and remove our air conditioner. Technically, it's supposed to go out 6 p.m. the day before removal. So we come. We don't have a problem doing evening removals as well. It's not a problem. So we come, take the air conditioner out, bring it down to that location. And then the next day, sanitation will come and remove the Freon. And then the following day, the sanitation bulk pickup will come and remove the physical air conditioner itself. So it's not as difficult as it sounds. If you have a building that has a super and a maintenance staff, if you have like a doorman and you have a maintenance staff, usually they have a coordinated pickup with sanitation. So usually, because most supers don't do window air conditioner removal or installation anymore because they don't have insurance, you call us up, we'll remove the air conditioners, work with your building facility, your super and your maintenance staff to bring the air conditioner down to whatever disposal area that they have designated, and then it's out of your hands. And coordinate the removal with us. We'll go ahead and get it removed, and then once we bring it downstairs, it's really out of your hands. Our prices that we charge for window air conditioner removal depend on the size of the unit, whether you have stairs, elevator, etc. All right. So window air conditioner disposal, NYC Pigeon Air Conditioner. Hope we can help. Thank you. Bye.